Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Meeting and project roles are important to understand because oftentimes if you've got project roles, they don't always align to the roles in which you might be working in a meeting. And so the project manager may not necessarily be the right facilitator in a specific meeting for that project. So the value of essentially mapping out project roles versus meeting roles is to make sure everyone's clear around who's doing what their responsibilities are, and especially the value of it is to make sure that you've got a high-performing team that's working on a project. And that the roles based on your skill sets, based on what you're good at, it may not have to do with job titles. It might just have to do with what you're skilled at, where you can contribute in a meeting versus in the overall project. So it's oftentimes important to define your roles for your project. And then when you have a meeting, define your roles for that meeting based on who's in it and where everyone can contribute. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.